Talking to adults these days could make you lose most part of your dignity. Like you can just watch them literally go from 0 to 100, behaving like angry birds. Why they know that what they've done is something that shouldn't pertain to normal. You get what I mean? When you talk to adults, it seems as if you have touched on one particular soul in the whole of their essence. They want to give it back to you, back to back. Show you what their words are, how long they stayed on earth, telling you about their whole life trajectory in just one very full piece of episode. Okay, so welcome back. We are still on the the dunghill with our major person here, the rollback and playback for spontaneous. So it just gave me that very big notion, because if we keep trying to say things and then we are using a word to collect more picking hand, it won't be so nice. Yeah, so alright, I just needed to clear the air. So back on tapestry, we actually lingered on how to make works without having to page adults or having to disturb our minds on major things to do with our big busy day. So first off, we look at the itineraries of what we need to do, and then we look at how much our schedules and how much we can actually give in with the resources and amount of time and whatever, what have you, energy and what sorts resources, financial resources or whatever it is, we can actually render with that. Alright, thank you so much. We shall see some other time.